Morning. I am in Google Slides this morning showing you how to create a coupon booklet that you can use to give to someone, and you can make it as fancy or not as fancy as you want. I have two slides just for the purpose of this with nothing on them. The first one, you want to make your title page, but when I created this, it came with a layout already. I changed the layout to a blank layout, and I like to kind of put my own things in there. So this one, you could put a picture in the background. You can insert, some fancy lettering or whatever, but your coupon booklet. I'm just putting some stuff on here so that you can see the how easy it is to create this booklet. Okay, so slide 2, then you want to start making, okay, here are your coupons. So again, I changed the layout to blank. This coupon entitles you to a free dinner of your choice. Just remember, I'm doing the cooking. So what I think it's funny, I'm a mom, so if I were to receive a coupon booklet and it said this on it, just remember I'm doing the cooking, I obviously wouldn't pick anything fancy because my kids don't know how to do anything fancy yet. But you could say examples like, I'll clean my room for 1 week, or I'll be nice to my brother or my sister for 1 whole day without arguing, whatever it is. You're going to create a bunch of different coupons. So each slide is going to be its own coupon. You can put pictures in there, but remember this one thing. This is going to get shrunk down into a coupon booklet size, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a second. So you don't want to put too much information on this slide because the slide is going to actually shrink. So I'm going to change the background color on this. I would like to make it kind of pretty. So let's put a light blue color. Done. Okay. So you can change background colors, background images, whatever the case may be. You can even upload photos of you and, your siblings. When it comes time, when you're all done with your coupon booklet, you're going to click on File. Then you're going to go down to Print, Settings, and Preview. And when you click on that, right now I had already gone through this before doing this. It comes out with one slide. You can choose right here for a handout how many slides per page. I would say that a good size for you would be either 4 slides per page or 6 slides per page. Or possibly, I don't think I would do 9 slides per page. I think that would be really tiny. Remember, as we get older, our eyes are not that great. So do an even number, okay? Do 4 slides or 6 slides per page. And what's going to happen is it would then have the other 2 slides down here. And you're going to print these pages out. And then you're going to cut these out and assemble your coupon booklet. Okay, again, the how many pages per slide, slides per page is totally up to you. But once you get it ready, all you have to do is click on the print button. You want to make sure you're not printing back to back, because if you do, you won't be able to cut this out. And then you'll have this all set for Mother's Day, Father's Day, Grandparents' Day, whatever your choice may be. This is, could be used for a birthday present. It's got endless possibilities, and be creative. Think of things that the people that you are giving these to constantly are wishing for. Okay, have fun with it.